Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into the world of JBL, a globally renowned manufacturer in the audio field. For decades, JBL has built a reputation by creating quality audio equipment that combines innovation and performance. Whether it's for portable speakers, home audio systems, or professional equipment, JBL is often an essential reference. Today, we are going to explore and detail their latest product, the JBL Charge 6 portable Bluetooth speaker. Before we begin, see the link in the description for more information about this product and where to buy it. Now let's move on to the design of this speaker. The JBL Charge 6 stands out with a sleek and robust aesthetic that features the iconic cylindrical design of the Charge series. The speaker is wrapped in a durable woven acoustic fabric that not only protects, but also contributes to optimal sound distribution. The finishes are impeccable with well-visible JBL logos that add a touch of style. A notable addition is the detachable handle that can be configured as a traditional handle or a carrying loop, making the speaker easier to transport. In terms of dimensions, it measures approximately 22.9 by 9.9 by 9.4 centimeters in depth, with a weight of 988 grams. This compact size and relatively lightweight make it an ideal option for use on the go. The speaker is available in a variety of colors, including white, black, multicolor, red, blue, pink, and purple, allowing you to express your personal style while enjoying superior sound quality. Let's move on to the main features of the JBL Charge 6. This speaker is equipped with cutting-edge technology that significantly enhances the user experience. It is rated IP68 for waterproofing, which means it is completely protected against dust and can be submerged in water up to a depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This level of protection makes it the perfect speaker for outdoor activities, whether at the beach or by the pool. In terms of connectivity, the Charge 6 uses the latest Bluetooth 5.4 version, offering more stable connections and a better range compared to its predecessors. One of the new features is the ability to listen to lossless audio via USB-C, a feature that will delight audiophiles. The customizable 7-band equalizer accessible through the JBL portable app allows you to adjust the sound according to your preferences. The speaker is also equipped with Auracast technology, which replaces the old Party Boost protocol, allowing easy connection to other recent JBL speakers. In terms of battery life, the JBL Charge 6 offers up to 28 hours of playback, with a playtime boost mode that extends battery life by reducing bass response, although this impacts sound quality. A fast charging feature provides an additional 150 minutes of playback with just 10 minutes of charging, which is particularly convenient for users in a hurry. Regarding practical use, the JBL Charge 6 is designed to fit various scenarios, whether you're on the go or simply enjoying a relaxing moment at home. The detachable handle makes it easy to carry, whether it's for a day at the beach or a picnic in the park. Thanks to its water and dust resistance, it can be used in various environments without the risk of damage. The physical controls located on the top of the speaker offer intuitive, use with dedicated buttons for power, Bluetooth, Auracast, play/pause, and volume. Compatibility with the JBL portable app further enhances the user experience, allowing you to manage speaker settings and customize the sound with the equalizer. The app also makes it easy to manage connections with other compatible JBL speakers, allowing you to create an immersive sound environment. For music lovers, the ability to listen to lossless audio via USB-C is a major advantage, offering exceptional sound quality. However, it should be noted that the Charge 6 does not have a built-in microphone, which means it cannot be used for phone calls. Now let's compare the JBL Charge 6 to other products on the market. Compared to its predecessor, the Charge 5, the new Charge 6 stands out with better battery life, improved connectivity, and a more robust design. While the Charge 5 already offers excellent sound quality, the Charge 6 goes further with a more advanced equalizer and increased resistance to the elements. If you're looking for something smaller, the JBL Flip 7 might be an interesting alternative, offering similar features in a more compact format, although the battery life is slightly lower. For those looking for a more powerful option, the JBL Extreme 4 might be a better choice, with superior sound quality and Auracast compatibility. And finally, for those who prefer a non-JBL alternative, the Beatspill 2024 version offers good bass response and USB-C connectivity, although the battery life and Bluetooth range are less impressive. In conclusion, The JBL Charge 6 represents a significant upgrade over its predecessors and stands as one of the best portable Bluetooth speakers available today. With increased durability, impressive battery life, and advanced sound customization, it meets the needs of modern users looking for quality and performance. If you're interested in purchasing this speaker, don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave your comments to share your impressions, like, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you very soon. Bye-bye.